class already we have discussed about that. What is set? How many types of sets are there? That means finite set, infinite set, singleton set, null set, subset, power set, proper subset, right? Now what are the forms? In how many forms we can write the sets? That means first one, roster form. Second one, builder form. And third one is Venn diagram. So sets we can write in these three forms. One is roster form, second one is builder form, and third one is Venn diagrams, right? Now, first one, roster form. Roster form is nothing but, it is nothing but only a set of elements. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is a set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is roster form. Actually, what is a set? A is a set of natural numbers, right? It is a natural numbers, that too only 5. First 5 natural numbers. A is a set of first 5 natural numbers. Now that set we can write in the form of element wise form. So this is called a roster form. Roster means only the set of elements. Now the second one is builder. Builder means build. Build means what? Construction, right? Form. Now builder form means how it is formed, right? In this set, A is a set of elements. A is a set of elements. In this set, every element, suppose let X is an element of one of the element, any one of the element in this set. A is a set of elements. That elements means what? X. That element X is an element of the set, but which set? That element is which type of element? Means that X belongs to natural numbers. That means what? That X which satisfies every element of the set, right? So every element in this set is what? Common property, that is natural number. Every element belongs to natural number, so that X belongs to natural number. But 10 is also natural number, but 10 is not there, right? 8 is also natural number, but 8 is also not there. That means here in this set there are elements are there. That element is X. That X is belongs to natural number. That means every element in this set belongs to natural number. And the quantity, how many elements are there? Only 5. That means that X is less than or equals to 5. Otherwise less than 6. Less than 6 natural number, otherwise less than or equal to 5. So this is called builder form. Builder means the elements which are in the form of natural numbers, and that too the quantity is what? Less than or equal to 5. Quality and quantity. Which type of elements are there? How many elements are there? That is called set builder form. Set builder means in this set A there are X is one of the element. That element is a natural number, and that natural number compulsory it should be less than or equal to 5. That means only in this set the first 5 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Venn diagram means it is some region. Here it is A. A is a set. In this set, what are the elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this region, every element belongs to in set A. So A, this circle is called A set. Right? So here A is a set of first 5 natural numbers. For that, first one is roster form, second one builder form, this is a Venn diagram. But Venn diagram means it is only one set, A, right? And for example, next one, B. B is another set. In this set, elements, for example, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. B is a set of elements here, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Right? Now, what is its builder form? Builder form. How it is formed? That means what? First, observe each and every element which satisfies one common property, one common condition. What is that? Here 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Yes, these are all natural numbers. But some natural numbers are missing. And each and every element is an even number. But some even numbers are missing. Now, only 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 means these elements are only these elements which are in the form of 2. That 2 we can write as 2 to the power of 1. Next 4 we can write as 2 to the power of 2. 8 we can write as 2 cube. 16 means 2 power 4. 32 means 2 power 5. That means what? Each and every element in this set, is in the form of 2 to the power of something. 2 to the power of 1, then we'll get first element. If 2 to the power of 2 means second element, 2 cube, third element, 2 power 4, fourth element, 2 power 5, fifth element. So that means in this set, each and every element is x. That means in B is a set of elements x such that every x, that x is equal to, that x is in the form of 2 to the power of n, where x is a 2 to the power of n, because every element in the form of 2 power n, where n means what? Power. That power belongs to what? Natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, natural numbers. And that natural numbers up to till 5, that means n is less than or equals to 5. So it is set builder form. Means B is a set of elements 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And B is a set. In this set, the elements are x such that x is every, that means x means each and every element is equal to, is in the shape of 2 to the power of something. So we can write as 2 to the power of n. And that n means what? Power. The powers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means natural numbers. N belongs to natural numbers, and that too less than or equal to up to 5 only. So it is a set builder form of this B set. Suppose B is also one of the set. Here B. In this set, what are the elements are there? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Right? And so we'll discuss about this Venn diagrams afterwards. First, and one more, C. C is one more set. Here 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 elements are there. Right? Now, what is the set builder form of C? Set builder form. C is a set of elements. So, that element is a set of x elements, that such that element, that means that every element in the set x, that x is a element of, it may be 2 or it may be 4 or 6 or 8. That means what? Every element is even number. 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. Right? So, even numbers, that x is equal to, how will get even number means? X is an even number, but even number means what? We know that every even number is in the form of, multiple of 2. 2 into something. 2 into anything is an even number. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. That means every even number, we know that it is a multiple of 2, where n belongs to natural numbers only, because 2 ones are 2 twos are, in place of n we can write as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means what? Natural numbers. Because 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2, 3s are 2, 4s are. Where again that n is less than or equals to 4. Less than or equal to 4. Because if n is equal to 4, 2 4s are 8. That's all. 8 is the last element. Otherwise we can write less than or equal to 4. Otherwise less than 5. Right? Less than 5. Less than 5 means what? Natural number less than 5? Only 4. So, it is also one of the set builder form. That means what? If C is a set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, that set builder form means C is a set of elements that is X such that X is in the form of multiple of 2 is nothing but even number. That 2 into something, even number means multiple of 2, 2 into something, that something means 2 into something is equal to, we'll get 1, means, sorry, 2 1s are only 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So in place of n, we can write only 1, 2, 3, 4. If you write n is equal to 2, we'll get 2 2s are 4. If n is equal to 1, 2 1s are 2. If n is equal to 4, 2 4s are 8. So that n means natural numbers, that 2 less than 5 or less than or equal to 4. Right? Otherwise, one more element, D. D is one of the set 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Right? Here D is a set of elements 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Right? Now, how it is formed? So, D is also one of the set of elements. In this set, the elements are X such that X means what? Each and every element. Right? That X is what? Every element is in the form of, first check whether these are all natural numbers. Yes, natural numbers only, but some natural numbers are missing. So, just seriously just observe each and every element 1, 4, 6, 9, 16, 25, 36. 1 we can write as 1 square. 1 square is 1. 4 means it is a 2 square. 9, 3 square. 16, 4 square. 25, 5 square. 36, 6 square. So means in this set each and every element is a perfect square. Every element is perfect square, something square, perfect square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, right? That means every element X is in the shape of something square, n square. The D is a set of elements, each and every element is a perfect square elements. So perfect square means that every element, that means X is one of the element in this set, that X is in the shape form of something square, n square. Where n means what? Base. The bases are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means natural numbers. Where n belongs to, n means what? Base. Base belongs to natural numbers up to that natural number less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6. Last 6 square only 36. So set builder form, builder means how the set is formed means in this set each and every element which satisfies one common condition. Every element satisfies this condition, or every element which satisfies this property means what? Every element is in the shape of something square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Here every element is 2 to the power of something, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power. Base is common here. Here power is common. So here X is in the shape of n square, but here X is in the shape of 2 power n because base is common, 2 power something. Right? So that is builder form. Builder form means only the set of elements, that elements, each and every element of the set, every element in this set which satisfies one condition. Observe that what is the condition. That condition only we have to apply in this builder form. Right? That means 2 to the power of n because every element is 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. But here each and every element is in the form of perfect square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. And one more example. builder form. Suppose the E is one of the set. In this set elements, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Right? Now, what are the elements are there? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 means what? They are odd numbers. Right? Here, E is a set of elements. E is a set of elements X such that X is every element X. That X is what? Which is an odd number. Odd number means what? Odd number. Even number means we can write in the form of 2 into n, because every even number is a multiple of 2. So we can write 2 into something an even number. But odd number means, is it a multiple of 3? No, 3 multiples are not odd numbers. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 is not an odd number. That means every 3 multiples of 3 are odd, not an odd numbers, right? But multiples of 2 are even numbers. So even number we can write as 2 into something. But here odd numbers, how will write odd number? X is equal to what? Right? We know that every odd number, right? These are odd numbers now. Suppose, what are these? 2, 4, 6, 8? Even numbers, right? Even number. 2 is an even number. Even number minus 1. How much? 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 minus 1 or 4 plus 1. 6 minus 1 or 6 plus 1. 8 minus 1 or 8 plus 1. So, here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 means they are odd numbers. Odd number means what? Even number minus 1 or even number plus 1, then we'll get odd numbers. Every even number is added by 1, we'll get odd number. Otherwise, every even number is subtracted by 1 also, we'll get odd number. Now here, every even number means in the form of 2n. 2 into something an even number, because multiple of 2, every multiple of 2, 2 multiples are even numbers. 2 into something is an even number, right? 2 into something, even number, right? Okay, 2 into, suppose if n is equal to 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, but 2 is an even number. But here 1 means what? 2 minus 1, so 2n minus 1. Substitute here n is equal to 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Suppose if n is equal to 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Suppose if n is equal to 3, 2 threes are 6, 6 minus 1, 5. If n is equal to 4, 2 fours are 8, 8 minus 1, 7. If n is equal to 5, 2 fives are 10, 10 minus 1, 9. Right? That means every even number minus 1, then we'll get odd number. Even number minus 1, 4 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 10 minus 1. So even number minus 1 will get odd number. That means 2n is an even number, minus 1 will get odd number. Right? So it is an 2n minus 1. Why? Because each and every element of this set E is an odd number. So odd number we can write as 2n minus 1, where n means what here? 2 into something. That n here, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1, 1. 2 twos are 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 2 threes are 6, 6 minus 1, 5. 2 fours are 8, 8 minus 1, 7. 2 fives are 10, 10 minus 1, 9. 2 6 are 10, 12, 12 minus 1, 11. So 11 is the last element. That means 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 1, 11 only. So n, in place of n, we can substitute the natural numbers, that n only less than or equal to 6. Because 2 6 are 12, 12 minus 1 only 11. Right? Why? Because n is a natural number. In place of natural number, we can substitute only natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But if it is 7, 2 7s are 14, 14 minus 1, 13. But 13 is not there. So only the last number is 11. That means 2 6 are 12, 12 minus 1 only 11. So n is a natural number. In that natural number, maximum value is 6. So these are the builder forms. First one, roster form, builder form. Roster means only simple, the set of elements. Suppose here E is a set of odd numbers less than 12. less than 12 or 13, right? Because we can write as 12 less than 12 odd numbers, or less than 13 because 13 also odd number, below 13 odd numbers means till 11. That means E is a set of odd numbers below 12, otherwise 3 plus 3 6, first 6 odd numbers. Okay, E is a set of first 6 odd numbers. Now that set we can write as in the roster form 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 because these are the odd numbers which are less than 12, right? Otherwise 6, first 6 odd numbers. Next one, the builder form. Builder form means what? In this set, each and every element we know that it is an odd number. So X is E is a set of elements X such that X means what? It is any one of the element. That X is what? It is an odd number. Odd number means we know that even number minus 1 is an odd number. Even number minus 1 will get odd number. So 2n is an even number minus 1 odd number. So 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 1 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 5. So in place of n we can substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll get these values. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 4 minus 1, 2 3s are 6 minus 1, 2 4s are 8 minus 1, 2 5s are 10 minus 1, 2 6 are 12 minus 1. So here in this place, n place, we can substitute only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are what? Natural numbers. But up to only 6, less than or equal to 6. So this is a builder form, roster form and builder form, right? Now the next one is Venn diagram, right? Okay. Venn diagram is nothing but only the set. This is also one of the set in the circular form. Okay, in this region here, if it is A, in that element suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 natural numbers. Otherwise B is a one of the set. Here in this set elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 means first 5 even numbers. Or D is a one more set here, other set, that means 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 means 2 power n, right? Otherwise one more set, it is a perfect square 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 like that. So these are the means it A builder in this Venn diagram, it is nothing but it is a circular form in the shape of circle. In this circle whatever the elements are there, that A. So A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay. Now next one actually we'll discuss with the that Venn diagrams. Just one example, after that we'll go through that Venn diagrams. Okay, so first one already some symbols already in last class we have discussed about that. First one set means it is a set symbol flower bracket, and second one is null set means empty set 5, otherwise it is a belongs to, not belongs to, subset, not subset, right? Now the next one is, the next symbol is union. It is union, it is intersection. These are the one more two symbols which are used in the sets, union and intersection. Union, intersection, that means the relation between the two sets, right? For example, A is a one of the set. A is a set. Now for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is one more set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? Now here two sets are there. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? Now first one, what is A union B? A union B. Union is nothing but simple, combine the total elements. combine. Union is only, union means combine the elements, combine all the elements, A union B. So A set and also B set elements, total elements. What are the total elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. These are the total elements. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is not there, 8, not 9 is not there, and 10. Right? That means one more condition. In any set, the element should not be repeated. Here 2 is repeated, but we should write only one time. 3, 4 is also repeated, 6 is also repeated element, but we should write only one time. That is A union B. Union means combine all the elements, total elements of the two sets. A union B, the total elements of the two sets A and B. A set elements, B set element, total elements, combine all the elements. That is A union B. Now the second one, A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B means intersection. Here union means what? Union means combine total elements. Union means total elements, all the elements. Now intersection. Intersection, this is the intersection symbol. Intersection means is nothing but only common elements. Common elements of the both the sets. Here A, B. In these two sets, whatever the common elements are there, those only elements only in this belongs to A intersection B. So A intersection B means A, B in these two sets, whatever the common elements are there. Is it one is a common element? No, one is not a common element because one belongs to A but one does not belongs to B. It is not a common element. Yes, 2 is a common element. 2 belongs to, 2 is an element of A and also 2 belongs to B. So that means 2 is a common element of the both the sets. So 2 is a one of the element of A intersection B. Next one, 3 is not a common element. Next one, 4. Yes, 4 is also common element. 5 is not a common element. 6 is a common element. That's all. Only 2, 4, 6 are the common elements of these two sets. A intersection B means only the common elements of the given two sets is called as intersection part. A intersection B means only common elements of the two sets, right? In these two sets, whatever the common elements, here 2 is a common, 4 common and 6 also common. So 2, 4, 6 are the common elements, right? A union B. Union, it is a symbol also in the shape of U only, so it is union. Union means what? All the elements, combined, total elements. So total elements of the both the sets. Write down in the order and also we should write only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8, 10 because 7 and 9 are not there. But intersection means only common elements in these both the sets. Only common elements. Whatever the common elements are there, only those common elements are belongs to A intersection B set. Right? Now we are going to Venn diagram. Right? Suppose here A is a one of the set A and B is also one more set is there. Here observe that, is there any common elements are there? In these two sets A and B, is there any common elements are there? Yes, there are common elements, right? If they are common, if there are any common elements, then these two sets are overlapping sets. Overlap. Why? Because in this place there are common elements 2, 4, 6. And remaining 1, 3, 5 are the elements in this A circle only, but which does not belongs to B. See, in this A circle, in this A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But out of this A, only A elements, only 2, 4, 6 are belongs to B also. So, overlapping place. And remaining what are the elements are there in B? 8, 10. See, only in this set A, what are the elements are there? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5. So this horizontal region, this region is called as A circle. In this A part, A circle, there are the elements only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in B circle, B set 2, 4, 6, 8. So suppose this vertical lines part is called as B. This vertical region is B set. This is B. Now both the regions, horizontal and also vertical, means it is a common region, right? This common region is a common part, common region part. Common means what? Intersection. In this intersection 2, 4, 6 are there. So in this common region also only 2, 4, 6 elements are there. So A is a horizontal part. That means simple. In this circle, whatever the elements are there belongs to A set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this B set, that means vertical lines, right? In this vertical region means B set. In this set, B set elements only 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But in the both that sets, common elements, in these two sets, common elements are only 2, 4, 6 are the common elements. So write down the common region. So 2, 4, 6 are in the common region part. Right? So this is called Venn diagram. Venn diagram. So in A set, that means the horizontal part, horizontal region, complete this horizontal region is indicates A set. Complete vertical region indicates that B set. But this common region means horizontal and also vertical, means common shaded region, that is overlapping part. This part is called as intersection part. This is A intersection B. Now union means what? Union total. Total part. Not only A or not only B or not common part. All the elements we should write in order. Right? The complete part, complete region, both the regions, either horizontal line and or horizontal vertical line. Both the part, the complete part means what? The complete region is called as union. The complete shaded region. Not only horizontal, not only vertical. That means what? Not only A elements, not only B elements, the total elements. Right? Total elements are belongs to A union B. So here Venn diagram means what? It indicates only regional part. Only in this region, the region part which indicates that Venn diagrams. In this Venn diagrams, only this region is belongs to A, this region belongs to B, but this is a common region, so it is intersection part, but the total part is union part. Right? A union B, A intersection B, Venn diagram also. A union B. Union means what? Only simple. Just combine all the elements, total elements. Here intersection, only common elements, only common in the both the sets A, B, whatever the common elements are there, only 2, 4, 6. That is common part, common element. That is intersection part. Right? So today we discussed about that. First one roster form, second one builder form, and third one is Venn diagrams also. Right? These are only basic concept, and we can apply that sums also afterwards. Okay. Next one is, so here already A union B over A intersection B. These two parts are over, union and intersection. Now what is A minus B? Okay. What is A minus B? Okay. Now suppose A is equal to, again same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B set elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now A union B, A intersection B over. Union means total elements, intersection means only common elements, both the sets, common elements. Now A minus B, A minus B, A minus B, simple. A minus B means general. A minus, minus means remove, minus means remove B set. From A set, A minus B means from A set remove the B set elements. From A set, from A minus B set elements. Remove the B set elements. So in A set, from A, here what are the B set elements are there? Yeah, 2 is a B set element only, 4 and 6. These 2, 4, 6 are the B set elements also. So from A set, remove the B set elements. So 2, 4, 6 are the B set elements. So remove these 3. Then whatever the leftover remaining elements are, only 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 are the elements which are belongs to A but does not belongs to B. The elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to B means what? From A set, remove the B set elements. Whatever the common elements are there, just remove that. The balance elements 1, 3, 5 are A minus B. Now B minus A. Now B minus A means what? B minus A. B minus A means from B set remove the A elements. From B minus means remove the A elements. From B set, yeah, in this B set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. From this B set, just remove these A elements. Here what are the A elements are there? Again 2, 4, 6 are the A elements. Right? Just remove that. The remaining balance elements are only 8, 10. These are B minus A. That means what? B minus A. The element which belongs to B but does not belongs to A. The element which belongs to only A, that means A minus B. A minus B, only in A elements 1, 3, 5 are the elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. Here B minus A, the element which belongs to B but does not belongs to A. That means builder form A minus B. Yeah, A minus B, builder form X such that set of elements X such that X belongs to A. It is an element of A, but and also we can write as and that X, same element, that X does not belongs to B. A minus B is a one set. In this set, the elements are X. That X which is belongs to A, that means that element is belongs to A set, but that does not belongs to B. That does not belongs to B. In B set, it does not belongs to B. If it is B minus A set builder form. Here it is also one of the set such that X is an element. In B minus A inside, in this set, X is an element such that element which belongs to B, that element 8 which belongs to B, but that the element does not belongs to A, and also it does not belongs to B, and that A. That same element, the element which belongs to B and it does not belongs to A. So that is B minus A. Right? So important part, A minus B. A minus B. From A set, minus means remove the B set elements. If in A set any elements are there in belongs to B, yes, 2, 4, 6 are the elements which are belongs to B also. So 2, 4, 6 elements are, these are the elements, B set elements. So remove them. Only 1, 3, 5 are the elements in A minus B. Because from A set remove these B elements. Next, B minus A. From B set remove the A elements. From B set means B set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. From this set just remove the B A set elements. So in this set what are the elements in A means only 2, 4, 6 elements are belongs to A also. So just remove these common elements. Then the balance elements are only 8 and 10. A minus B means the element which belongs to A but does not belongs to B, means only the elements which belongs to A, that means A minus B. Only these elements which belongs to B, only in B, that is B minus A. Right? A minus B, A, B minus A. Next one. But here, listen. A minus B, 1, 3, 5. B minus A, 8, 10. Is it these two sets are equal? No, they are not equal. In this A minus B, the elements are 1, 3, 5. B minus A, there are 8 and 10. They are not equal. That means A minus B is not equals to B minus A. Because they are not same. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. But A union B, A union B, B union A. Union means what? Combine. Union means combine. AB total elements. What are the AB total elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. B union A. B set, A set, total elements. What are the B's A? In these two sets, common elements, total elements, not common, total, union. Total, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8, 10 only. So that means A union B, B union A are same. Intersection. A intersection B, B intersection A. Yeah. A, B, common elements, 2, 4, 6. Again, B, A, common elements, B intersection A. Again, we'll get common elements only 2, 4, 6 only. Common elements. AB common elements 2, 4, 6 and BA common elements also 2, 4, 6. So, they are also equal. A union B is equal to B union A. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. But A minus B is not equal to B minus A. A union B is equal to B union A. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. But A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Right? Now. Suppose one more example, A. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 and B set 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. A 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. In B set 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Right? Now, what is A union B? A intersection B, A minus B. Right? First one. Listen. A union B. A union B means A union B. Now the total elements in AB. A, B, union. Union means total elements. Now what are the total elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Right? A union B means total elements. Now, what is A intersection B? A intersection B. A intersection B means only common elements. In these two sets, what are the common elements? 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8 are the common elements. 2, 6, 8. Union means total elements. Intersection means only common elements. Now A minus B. A minus B. So from A set, remove the B elements. A minus B. So from A set, remove the B elements. B elements are only 2, 6, 8 are the B elements, common elements. Just remove that. The remaining elements 1, 3, 5. Only 1, 3, 5 are the A minus B elements. Right? It is A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. Now Venn diagram. It is A, B. So first write down this is common part. In this common part, what are the common elements? 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8 are the common elements. Only A elements 1, 3, 5. That's all. 1, 3, 5. Now in B set 2, 6, 8 over, 2, 6, 8 over. The remaining elements 4, 9, 10, 12. Right? Now A union B means what? The total elements, all the elements. All the elements means A part and B part, total elements. So in this A region and common region and also this B part. That means the total region. So the complete region is a union B. Why? Because complete A part, B part and also common part, the total elements right in order. So this is called A union B, Venn diagram. A union B, union. A, B combine, union, total elements arranged in one order. Total elements, that is A union B. Now A intersection, it is A, B. Only common elements 2, 6, 8. Only 2, 6, 8. These are the intersection part. So only this region. Only this region is A intersection B. So this is called A intersection B. It is A union B. A union B means total elements. A intersection B, only common elements. Only in this region only the elements, intersection element, common elements are there. So that means this region indicates that A intersection B, the complete region indicates that A union B. So Venn diagram means it indicates a region part. This region, the complete region is A union B, only this common region only called as A intersection B. Now what is A minus B, right? So here it is A, it is B, A, B. In this A set elements 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8. And B set only 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Now A minus B. A minus B means what? Only the element which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. Here means only 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. This is A minus B. 1, 3, 5 means only in this region. Only these region elements are called as A minus B. Right? Only this region means the element which belongs to A circle lo undali, but it does not belongs to B. So this region is called as A minus B. A minus B means only the region part, means only this region. That means which region? It is belongs to A but does not belongs to B. So this is called A minus B. So A union B, complete region, because the total elements, total region part. A intersection B, common elements, so common region part. A minus B, the region which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. That is A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. Right? And also one more here from this example only, cardinal number n of A means what? Number of elements in set A. Number of elements in set A. How many elements are there in this set? How many elements are there? A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many elements are there? 6 elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 elements are there. In set B, in a number of elements in B, now that means cardinal number of set B. B set cardinal number. Here in this set B, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many elements are there? 7 elements are there. Number of elements in A means n of A. Number of elements in set A. Here in set A there are 6 elements are there. In the set B there are 7 elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now next, n of A union B. A union B. Now how many elements in set A union B. How many elements are there? Total how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total elements are 10 elements are there. In A set there are 6 elements are there. In B set 7 elements are there, but total elements 10 only. Why? Because the total A 6, B set elements 7, but the total element, that means A union B, there are only 10 elements. Why? Because there is a common elements, n of A intersection B. Common elements. How many common elements are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Common elements 3. So n of A 6 elements. N of A means number of elements in A set 6, number of elements in B 7, number of elements in A union B 10, number of elements in A intersection B 3. So by using these values, see, number of elements in A 6 elements only, number of elements in B 7, but total elements are only 10. Why? Because there are 3 common elements are there. Right? So therefore number of elements in A union B, total elements is equal to A union B. Total elements means number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. A elements plus B elements. Total 6 plus 7 how much? 13. But A union B only 10 elements. So n of A, number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Common elements. So A 6 elements plus B 7 elements minus common element. A intersection B means common. There are 3 elements. Now 6 plus 7 13. 13 minus 3 10. Right? So n of A union B, number of elements in A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Why? Because number of elements in total, so A set elements 6 elements, B 7 elements, but total there is 10. Why? Because 3 elements are repeating. 3 elements are repeated elements. So A plus B minus A intersection B. Not A plus B, n of A plus n of B, number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B, that is equal to total elements n of A union B. Right? So based on these sums, that means A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, say roster form, builder form, Venn diagrams, and this cardinal number, based on cardinal number sums also we can find. Okay? Right. Thank you.